Hi friends, today I just want to show you some little alteration in my Zen, and please note it's not for sale. It's my hobby is to alter my car, so I'm just showing you what things I did in it. So you can see I have changed the grille with 3D Suzuki logo in it. I have one toe strap. I never used it, but it's looked good, so I have added that. And some side I haven't did anything, so you can see anything in it. I'm just showing you the back side. See, now this is the back side. I have one spoiler, I have a sound activated equalizer light, I have tinted the back tail lamps, I have one brake light additional added to it. I have painted my wiper arms. I really want it in red, but it's showing a little bit orange. From this side there is nothing. So I'm just showing you from inside. Yeah, now I'm showing you my car from inside, okay? So you can see all the AC vents are vinyl wrapped by green color. I have changed the mat, you can see US flag. I have changed the gear knob, and here you can see two meters. The left one is of car temperature and the right one is of volt and ampere. I have a normal music system, Pioneer, and you can see the push start button for my car. Now I'm showing you how it works, the push button. First of all, you have to take a single step from your key, then you have to open it, turn on the switch, you can see the red colors. Then you simply have to press it. See, the car gets started, and to turn off the car, simply do this. And I have used some little decorative items, like you can see one plane over there and a vampire, and on the right side you can see a convertible car. I have changed the rear view mirror with a little extra large mirror. You can see I have changed the seat wheel also. It's of red color. I have put a towel in my seats. So this is for now, and yeah, I really want to tell you what my future updates will be. I will add a sunroof over here. I will add the exhaust cutout, by which I will get a sports sound. So as I will do any update, I will again make a video and share it with you guys. Thank you so much for now. Take care. Bye bye.